Hello students, good morning everyone. Today in this video we will see the story how the dog found himself a new master. The story is taken from your English book The Honeysuckle. Before you read, you may know that dog and the wolf are closely related. You may also know something about how over the centuries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. Here is a story about how the dog became a tame animal. Dear students, here in this story we will find out that how the dog is related to the other animals like wolf, and here we'll see how it is domesticated. Here dear student we can see as domesticated means how it is kept at home. Those animals which are kept at home are called uh, pet animals, or they are domesticated. Okay, and here also there is other word tame. Tame means also means the animals which are being kept by humans are called are tamed wild animals. Okay, so in this story we'll see that how the dog found a new master for himself. We see here that the dog has his own master. Human beings means he has been living with them for many years. Okay, and he has become very faithful and loyal to him. So we'll see the story. Let's continue. The students, you can see here the dog and the wolf, they are moving together in a jungle. Okay, let's start. Dogs were once their own master and lived the way wolves do, in freedom. Until a dog was born who was ill pleased with his way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. So, my dear students, we see here that earlier the dogs were also like a wild animal, and they used to roam around in the jungle. Okay, वो जंगल में घूमते थे, and but they were means he was roaming in a freedom. Freedom मतलब स्वतंत्र होता है ना. And here we see the meaning ill pleased. Ill pleased means here not happy. Okay, ill pleased means not happy. Tired means थक जाना, and here wandering. Wandering means घूमना, यहाँ वहाँ घूमना. Okay. Point 2. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. So, my dear students, here we find that dog wanted a master who is very strong enough and who is stronger than anyone on this earth, so he can be his servant. सर्वेंट मीन्स नौकर है ना. सो वो उनका किसी का एक नौकर बन के आराम से मतलब रह सकता है. बिकॉज इन जंगल्स देर आर सो मेनी बीस्ट डेंजरस एनिमल्स, सो ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू लिव happily, or he was not having his freedom. He was always frightened, and so now he wanted to find a master. Point 3. He walked and he walked and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I'm looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master, wolf? I don't see why not, the wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went together. Now see here, the dog is on his own way to find out a new master, and here uh, first he finds an a wolf. Here kinsman, kinsman means of a same kind. Okay, like we have some blood relations, our nephew, cousins, all that, we can call it as a kinsman. So here dog is also a kind of same animal like a wolf. So here dog and wolf are kinsman, like brother. Okay, and so he told that I am going to find a new master, so he accepts easily. Now next, what happens? They worked and they worked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly up the path and into the bushes, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. "What's come over you, master?" he asked. "What has frightened you so? Can't you see there's a bear out there? But he might eat up both of us, you and me." So here the wolf sees a bear. Bear means bhalu, है ना? Then he sees a bear and then he runs away towards the deep into the jungle. And now dog knew that the bear is stronger than wolf. So now he starts following bear, and then he says goodbye to wolf. Point 5. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, "Let's go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill." Now here, now dog accepts bear as new master, and then now they are going together. वो दोनों साथ में चल जाते हैं आगे, और bear बोलता है, "Now I'll kill a herd of cows and we will both eat together." हम दोनों साथ में भोजन करेंगे, उसको खाएंगे, and then we will have our fill. That means we can fill our stomach. Dear students, today up to this point 5 we complete, and in our next video we will see ahead. Okay, I hope everyone understood well. Now I'm sending you some questions through Google form. All of you have to go through this video carefully, understand, try to understand the word meaning. I have also explained them, and also if you don't know, you can find it from your dictionary, and then do it, your homework that I am giving you. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.